Welcome to WebStylePress. This is a WordPress based site. To manage it, we type wp-admin in URL. wp-admin, enter. Then we type username and password to enter admin area. Every WordPress user does that. Everyone knows where is the admin URL or login page. We can hide it. Go to plugins, add new, search for hide login. And you can find WPS hide login page, hide WP admin, easy hide login press, custom login page customizer, and many others. Let's install this plugin, WPS hide login. After installing it, go to its settings. It will bring you to general settings page. Login URL. Add custom name that will be used to point to the login page. Let's use hidden dashboard. You can specify the redirect URL when someone tries to access wp-login.php page and the wp-admin directory while not logged in. Right now it's 404. Save changes. And it says your login page is now here. Let's copy it for a good measure and then log out. Go to the site. And now if I go to wp-admin, it won't allow me. As you can see, 404, it hit the 404 page. I'll have to use hidden dashboard. Enter. And now this is the login URL. Hidden dashboard. This is how you can hide your login page and WP admin area. This plugin helps you easily and safely change the URL of the login form page to anything you want. It doesn't literally rename or change files in core, nor does it add rewrite rules. It simply intercepts page requests and works on any WordPress website. The wp-admin directory and wp-login.php page becomes inaccessible. So make sure you bookmark or remember the new admin URL. Deactivating this plugin brings your site back exactly to the state it was before. I recommend you to always hide login page if you use WordPress. It's a must-have security measure that you should remember to take. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.